Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're making a savory recipe. I know we don't do that too often here, but this is gonna be a good one. We're gonna be making a super easy, high protein, low calorie skillet mac and cheese. So in order to make this recipe, you're gonna need this 6.5-inch mini cast iron skillet. You can get it from Amazon, it's linked in my store below. So if you're excited to see me make this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends as it really helps the channel. And with that, let's get started with the recipe. So first thing you're gonna do is boil the water and then cook the elbow pasta. Make sure to cook the pasta because if you make this recipe with uncooked pasta, it's not gonna work. Then you're gonna preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Once the pasta is done cooking, you're gonna drain it and then pour it into a bowl. And then you're gonna add some unsweetened almond milk. So you're gonna use 40 grams total of the light shredded cheese, but you're gonna add in 25 grams right now. So I just used this light shredded Tex-Mex cheese. I wanted to use cheddar cheese, but they didn't have any light shredded cheese, so just decided to get Tex-Mex. But yeah, this recipe would probably work best with cheddar or with Tex-Mex. Then you're gonna add in a bit of P Science multi-purpose protein powder. So this is what it looks like. You can get it on their website. Basically, it's a high protein flour substitute. It's really cool. You can use my discount code FIT15 if you're gonna purchase this, but if you can't purchase this or if you don't have it on hand, that's totally fine. You could just use regular all-purpose flour. Add in some garlic powder and then some salt. Of course, you can just add these to taste or you can use any other seasonings that you want. Then you're gonna mix all those ingredients together. Now you're gonna grab your 6.5-inch mini cast iron skillet and spray with cooking spray. And then you're gonna pour all the ingredients in there. Now this is an optional step or it could be replaced with something else, but I added in half of a vegan chicken burger. So I just used this Yves brand. I think it's Yves, maybe it's Yves, I don't know. Anyway, they have 13 grams of protein. So you could use this or you could use half of a regular chicken burger or you can just not put it in at all. So I just cut them into little pieces and I kind of just spread it out evenly. So you're gonna put this into the oven for a total of 35 minutes. We're gonna put it in for 10 minutes and then mix it up after, then put it in for another 10 minutes and then just mix it up just to make sure all the ingredients like cook evenly. And then after the last time mixing it up at the 30-minute mark, you're gonna add the rest of the cheese on top. And then you're gonna actually broil it for 5 minutes. So when I click broil on my oven, it says 550 Fahrenheit, so that's what I did. And that's about it, you're all done. This was super simple. Taste test time. This is fantastic. This is so good. So cheesy and really high in protein because of like the P Science protein and the vegan chicken. Yeah, it tastes really, really good. Like the combination of the vegan chicken with the cheese, it's amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did like this recipe, then I'm sure you're gonna like my other ones. So be sure to check out the videos that are gonna pop up on the screen. And please give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends as it really helps the channel. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.